Essay topic: the effect of COVID-19 on education. Outline: number first, introduction. Number second, how COVID-19 has affected the education sector around the globe. Number 8, negative impacts. Number 2, positive impacts. Number 3, challenges to the education sector during the pandemic period in Pakistan. Number 4, recommendation. Number 5, conclusion. COVID-19, which stands for coronavirus disease 2019, was declared pandemic by World Health Organization on March 11, 2020 due to the havoc caused by it. The contagion affected every sector of life and brought the world to a halt. The pandemic greatly affected the education sector around the world, as well all the education institutions got closed and classes suspended. Exams were postponed, and thus academic calendar faced a disturbance. The situation also accelerated the pace of dropout ratio among students. Besides these shortcomings, the outbreak exposed lack of technology and education sector. It also brought an awareness regarding the use of technology and information in education. The lockdown strategy was adopted by both the developed and the developing countries contain instead of deeply wise. This policy resulted in complete closure of educational institutions from primary to higher level. Furthermore, examination at the parent level got postponed, which added much to the measures of education during pandemic crisis. Moreover, due to the disturbance in academic activities, the dropout ratio got elevated. According to Sheikh Jumal, the dropout ratio in Pakistan increased from 10% to 25% during the outbreak. In response to school closures, UNESCO recommended the use of online educational program to teach the learners remotely and limit the disruption of education. The online applications like Zoom and Google Meet were not suitable to perpetually impart practical education like engineering, medical, and computer studies. It also lead to the loss of discipline and character building among students. Despite disrupting the education sector, the COVID-19 introduced the use of technology and education too. Zoom and Google Meet applications were used worldwide. To arrange online classes for university level students. Pakistan put in place two educational television programs like Tele School and Talim Gar as remote learning tools during the COVID-19 school closure. In addition to this, the online education increased the use of audio visual. Aids for effective learning of students. Students were able to analyze more effectively what they were being taught. They learn computer skills to do lot of assignment themselves. Similarly, teachers also adopted new methods of teaching, which are still followed in post-academic period. Example: PowerPoint presentation. Apart from these grateful and effective time management was being observed during the COVID-19 period. The relaxed environment at home made the online education possible and effective. Number 12. Challenges in the education sector during the pandemic period of Pakistan. At that time, e-learning was the only way to learn the meaning of education. Pakistan, like other developing countries, faced so many hardships, and its way towards online education. The weak internet service in remote areas made it impossible for university graduates to attend their online classes through Zoom and or Google Meet application. Recommendation: the shutting down of education institution and the decision of shifting traditional classrooms to virtual reform exposed the weak technological base of our education system. Allocation of appropriate budget to the education sector is the need of the hour. The government should establish the government should establish computer based school level 2 into electricity. In addition to this, the policymaker should also initiate a play program for the teachers affected unit skills of new technology. The government should also the government should also strive to make 2G and 5G internet service remote areas to resolve the internet issue. Addressing these areas would help and carry on educational activities in such crisis without a break and pinch. Conclusion. To conclude, COVID-19 greatly affected the education sector. It haunted the academic activities around the world and disturbed the academic calendar. The poor technological infrastructure of education sector posed a challenge to carry on educational activities at home efficiently. It is hard entering it. At least in education sector, to cope with such challenges in future.